not the condoms on. Okay.
We're trying to get
Trying to get a gem sponsorship here. ¿Cómo es que es? Two condoms.
two condoms
No,
for
no.
the sexy buñuelo.
Una copa
de
buñuelina.
Tenemos buñuelos de maíz, Mountain Delight, el sabor de la naturaleza. No es la misma marca que utiliza nuestra amiga en YouTube, pero
Okay, that's it.
no pasa
We're
nada.
not here to give advertising to nobody else. This is our YouTube channel.
Okay. Lo siento, amiga.
Okay.
Este tercio.
The dairy-free mozzarella like cheese.
Cheese vegano, Daiya.
Okay, put it in. Nice. Excited? We're gonna put a little bit more.
Añádele, todo es al gusto, ¿sí me entienden? Porque si ven que no es suficiente queso, pues échenle más. No pasa nada. Perdón. Échenle más, ya.
A third of a cup
Of tofu.
of tofu. Medium. This is medium. Medium firm tofu. Put it in. Put it in. Nice. We're doing
Go in there.
a third of a cup of this dairy-free, unbelievable. Assistant forgot to keep recording, so we just put a little bit of salt in, half a teaspoon, or to taste. So we put a little bit more than half a teaspoon, and then we just like mixed everything together with an egg. Also, one egg.
Yeah.
This is not a vegan recipe. It's dairy-free, not vegan, dairy-free. An egg and salt, and then mix. We're gonna add a little bit more water here until we get the desired texture. The consistency you're looking for. If you accidentally put too much water in, like we did, just put a bit more masa, harina, or what's it called? Flour. Until you get this consistency. And then you're gonna start shaping them as little balls. Show them. More little.
More tiny?
Yeah, I think
That's too big?
No, do like half.
Okay, well.
Do like half. Yeah, half of that. We're gonna do them this big. You can do them as big as you want, but we think I think this is easier to cook. Plus, look at the small. We're gonna cook them in this small pan. So, smaller, better. All right. So we had a few attempts that didn't quite work out, but we eventually worked out the size that works for our pot and heat of oil as well. Make sure you play with the heat. Too hot, they get burned. And then after that, you just put them on some paper and wait. Make sure that they're not that they're cooked all the way through. I think these should be cooked. We will see. We will see how they turn out.